Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Life English. I'm Amma, and I'm so happy to be here with you again today.
Hi everyone, I'm Peng. It's wonderful to see you all. How are you doing today, Amma?
I'm doing great, thank you, Peng. I had a cup of coffee this morning, and I'm full of energy. How about you?
I'm good too. I went for a short walk before recording and the weather was really nice. It made me feel fresh and ready for today's talk.
That sounds lovely. And before we begin, we'd like to say a warm hello to everyone listening and watching us right now. Thank you so much for joining our Daily Life English podcast.
Yes, welcome everyone. Whether you're listening while studying, cooking, walking, or relaxing at home, we're so happy you're here with us.
So, Peng, what is our topic for today? What will we talk about in this episode?
Today's topic is something that everyone needs in daily life. We're going to talk about making small talk with strangers.
Small talk. That's a very interesting topic because, small talk is something we do all the time when we meet new people, wait for the bus, stand in a line, or start a new job.
Exactly. Some people find small talk easy and natural, but for many English learners, it can feel difficult or even scary.
Yes. Sometimes we don't know what to say or we're afraid to make mistakes. But don't worry. In today's episode, we'll learn how to make small talk easily and confidently.
Right. We'll talk about what small talk is, why it's important, how to start a conversation, and we'll give you some examples and useful expressions you can use right away.
That sounds great. So please stay with us until the end. And before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.
Yes, your support helps us keep creating fun and helpful lessons for you every week. Thank you so much for being part of our Daily Life English family.
All right, let's begin with the question, what is small talk?
Small talk means short, friendly conversation about simple topics. It's not a deep or serious discussion. It's just an easy way to connect with someone new or someone you don't know well.
Exactly. It helps to break the ice. That means it helps people feel more comfortable and relaxed.
Right. When you say something like, "It's a beautiful day today," or "This coffee shop is nice," you're starting a small conversation that opens the door to more friendly talk.
Yes, and that first step is very important because sometimes one small conversation can lead to a new friendship or even new opportunities in life.
Absolutely. Small talk is also important for building confidence in English. It helps you practice speaking naturally and using common expressions.
Yes, and you don't need to be perfect. Even simple sentences are fine. The key is to sound friendly and interested.
Exactly. So let's look at some common topics people use for small talk.
Sure. The first and easiest one is the weather. Everyone loves to talk about the weather.
Yes. For example, you can say, "It's really hot today, isn't it?" Or, "I hope it doesn't rain later."
Or you can say, the weather is perfect for a walk. It's simple, friendly, and works almost anywhere.
Right. The second topic is work or study. You can ask, "Do you work nearby?" Or, "Are you studying at the university here?"
Good one. It shows interest, but still sounds polite.
The third topic is hobbies, something people enjoy talking about. You can say, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "Do you enjoy watching movies?"
Exactly. Most people love to share what they like doing. And when they answer, you can keep the conversation going by asking a follow-up question.
For example, if someone says, "I like reading," you can say, "Oh, really?
What kind of books do you like to read?
Yes, that's a natural way to keep talking.
The next topic could be food or drinks. Like, do you like coffee or tea? Or what's your favorite food?
That's a fun one. Everyone eats, so it's a safe and friendly topic.
Exactly. And finally, you can also talk about current surroundings. For example, this place is really beautiful, or the music here is nice.
That's a great way to start when you don't know what else to say. Just comment on something you both see or experience.
Right. Now, Amma, let's show our listeners a short example conversation.
Sure, let's do a quick role play.
Hi there. The coffee smells really good today, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning.
Me too. You come here often?
Sometimes, yes. I like the quiet music here. How about you?
I just discovered this place last week. The staff are really friendly.
They are. It's one of the reasons I like this cafe.
See everyone? That's small talk. Short, friendly, and simple.
Yes, it doesn't have to be long or complicated. It's just about being kind, polite, and showing interest in the other person.
Now, let's talk about some useful phrases you can use for small talk.
Okay, here are some that you can try. How's your day going? Have you been here before? Are you from around here? It's really busy today, isn't it? Do you like this song?
Nice. And you can answer politely by saying things like, "Pretty good, thanks." "Yes, I come here often." "No, it's my first time." "Yeah, I like it."
Exactly. And when you want to end small talk politely, you can say, "It was nice talking with you. Hope to see you again. Have a great day."
That's very useful, especially when you need to leave but still want to sound polite.
Yes. Ending small talk kindly leaves a good impression.
Let's also talk about what not to say during small talk.
Oh, yes. That's important too. We should avoid personal or sensitive topics like age, salary, religion, or politics.
Exactly. Keep it light, friendly, and positive. No serious or private questions, especially when you just met someone.
Right. You can think of small talk as safe talk. It's for making people feel comfortable, not uncomfortable.
Good point. Now, Emma, do you think small talk can help with learning English faster?
Definitely. When you practice small talk, you practice listening, speaking, pronunciation, and thinking in English. It's a great way to train your brain to use English naturally.
I agree. It's like a daily workout for your English muscles.
Haha, yes. And the more you practice, the more confident you become.
Exactly. Confidence grows with practice, not from grammar books, but from real conversation.
That's true. So, if you want to improve, try making small talk every day with a classmate, a barista, a taxi driver, or even a neighbor.
Yes, even 1 minute of small talk a day can help you get better at English.
Let's give our listeners a few practice ideas.
Good idea. You can practice by recording yourself saying a few small talk sentences. For example, "Hi, how are you?" "It's a lovely day today." "I like your bag. Where did you get it?"
That's great. Then listen to your own voice and try to sound more natural each time.
Or you can practice with a friend. Take turns starting small talk and answering. Make it fun. Maybe pretend you're in a coffee shop or waiting for a bus.
Yes, role-playing is a great way to learn because it feels real.
Exactly. And one last tip, don't rush. Speak slowly, clearly, and with a smile.
Yes, your smile is your best tool. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, people will enjoy talking with you if you're kind and confident.
That's the heart of small talk. connection, not perfection.
Beautifully said, Peng.
So, let's quickly summarize today's key points.
Sure. Number 1. Small talk means short, friendly conversation. Number 2. It helps people feel comfortable and build connection. Number 3. Good topics include weather, work, hobbies, food, and surroundings. Number 4. Be friendly, smile, and listen carefully. Number 5. Avoid serious or private topics.
Perfect summary, Amma. If you remember these 5 points, you can make small talk anywhere, anytime.
Yes, and soon you'll start to enjoy talking with new people instead of feeling nervous.
Exactly. Because small talk isn't just about words. It's about kindness, curiosity, and confidence.
That's right. And remember, every big friendship starts with small talk.
So, dear listeners, that's all for today's episode, Making Small Talk with Strangers. We hope you learned something useful and that you'll try these tips in real life.
Yes, please do. And don't forget to tell us in the comments what topic you'd like to hear next.
Also, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video on YouTube. Your support helps us grow our daily life English community.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate every listener and viewer.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.